Have you guys ever seen the little leeches they got in here?
Leeches!
It says caution, not a designated swimming area, dangerous drop off. So we want to go check that out here. Just made it over to the beach area, the canoeing area of Diamond Point Park or beach, something like that, over by Bemidji State University behind me. Have you guys ever seen the little leeches they got in here?
Leeches!
It ain't small. So now we gotta make sure there's no creatures in any of these. Trying to get all these zebra mussels off. So I'm gonna go ahead and break these open, clean them out. Usually the crawfish like to hide in here. Found a fin, that was the coolest find there. Then the rest of it was just cloth, plastic, aluminum, a lot of trash. Can you see in there? Not really. Yes, don't grab them.